Learning objectives. At the end of this topic, you will be able to know the history of magnets, explain magnet and its types, distinguish between a magnetic and a non-magnetic material, identify the poles of a magnet. Introduction. Sheila and her mother are at home. She's helping her mother to pin a note onto the notice board at home. Suddenly, the pin slipped from Sheila's hand. It fell behind the bookshelf. Sheila tried to pick up the pin, but could not reach it. It was too far in. How can you help Sheila to pick up the pin? Children, let's see how we can help Sheila to pick up the pin.
Sheila can use a ruler to pick up the pin. Sheila can use a long metal hook to pick up the pin. Sheila can use a magnet to pick up the pin.
Which object would you choose to pick up the pin? Discuss this with your friends. Click on each object to find out. Oh no! The ruler cannot reach the pin. Sheila cannot use a ruler to pick up the pin. Oops! The long metal hook cannot reach the pin. Sheila cannot use the long metal hook to pick up the pin. Wonderful! The pin sticks to the magnet. Sheila can use a magnet to pick up the pin. Sheila cannot use a ruler to pick up the pin. Sheila cannot use the long metal hook to pick up the pin. Sheila can use a magnet to pick up the pin. Sheila used a magnet to pick up the pin. The magnet attracts the pin to it. The pin sticks to the magnet. History of magnets. Do you know there is an interesting story behind the discovery of magnets? Long time ago, there lived a Greek shepherd boy named Magnus. He used to take his sheep to a nearby mountain for grazing. He used to carry a stick that has a metal cap at the bottom. One day he was sitting on a rock, and when he got up, he found that his stick got stuck to the black rock. That rock had an ability to attract metal pieces to it, and hence it was named as magnetite. Few people think that magnet was discovered at a place called Magnesia, and hence it got its name. Hence, the substances that attract the metal particles to it are referred to as magnets. Magnet and its types. Now let's see what a magnet can do. Let's look at an example. You're given a magnet and some paper clips. What do you think will happen when the magnet is put near the paper clips? Discuss this with your friends. Drag the magnet to the paper clips to find out. Look, the magnet attracts the paper clips to it. The paper clips stick to the magnet. Here are different types of magnets. Do you think all of them can attract the paper clips? Discuss this with your friends. Drag each magnet to the paper clips to find out. You will find all the magnets are able to attract the paper clips. Magnets come in different shapes and sizes. We name them according to their shapes. Let's find out the names of these magnets. Click on each magnet to find out its name. Magnetic and non-magnetic materials. Shanti's mom is cooking in the kitchen. Shanti is playing with some fridge magnets on the door of the refrigerator. Mom, what makes these things stick to the fridge door? Look at the back of the things. What do you see? Try to place a fork near it. Now place a key near it. Oh, there is a magnet at the back of these things. The door of the refrigerator, the fork, and the key are attracted to the magnets. I wonder if magnets attract everything. Do you think that magnets attract everything? Let's find out. I wonder if the fridge magnet will stick to this wooden table. Do you think that magnet will stick to the wooden table? Click Check Answer. No, the magnet does not stick to the wooden table. The fridge door is attracted to the magnets. However, this wooden table is not attracted to the magnet. I wonder what else is not attracted to magnets. We have learned that magnets can attract paper clips. Magnets can also attract pins. Here are some objects made from different materials. Which objects do you think the magnet will attract? Which objects do you think the magnet will not attract? Discuss this with your friends. Write your answers in Table 1 on Activity Sheet 1. Now, let's test the objects given to you. See if magnet attracts these things. Which objects are attracted to the magnet? Which objects are not attracted to the magnet? Drag each object onto the X to find out. Record your answers in Table 2 on Activity Sheet 1. Click Table 2 to see the table. The thumbtack is attracted to the magnet. The iron screw is attracted to the magnet. The metal spoon is attracted to the magnet. The pin is attracted to the magnet. The paperclip is attracted to the magnet. The copper coin is not attracted to the magnet. The toothpick is not attracted to the magnet. The aluminum can is not attracted to the magnet. Do your answers in Table 2 match your answers in Table 1? You have seen that magnets attract some objects. You've also seen that magnets do not attract some other objects. Look at the objects that are attracted to magnets. What are these objects made of? Discuss this with your friends. Magnets attract some objects and do not attract the others. Magnets attract the thumbtack, the screw, the metal spoon, the pin, and the paperclip. These objects are made of iron. The copper coin, toothpick, and aluminum can are not made of iron. Magnets attract objects that are made of iron. Hence, to conclude, we can say that those objects that get attracted to magnets are called magnetic materials, and those that do not get attracted to the magnets are called non-magnetic materials. Poles of a magnet. Look at the bar magnet. Which parts of the magnet attract the most paper clips? Discuss this with your friends. Drag the magnet to the paper clips to find out. The two poles of the magnet attracts the paper clips. These objects are made of iron. Summary. Let's summarize the topic. A Greek shepherd named Magnus discovered magnets 4,000 years ago in Magnesia, Greece. Magnus discovered a natural magnetic rock called magnetites. Materials that are attracted by a magnet are called magnetic materials. Examples of magnetic materials include iron, cobalt, nickel, steel, etc. Materials that are not attracted by magnets are called non-magnetic materials. Examples of non-magnetic materials include rubber, plastic, stainless steel, feather, paper, mica, gold, silver, leather, etc. The ends of the magnet where the magnetic materials get attracted are called poles. Magnets can occur naturally in form of magnetite. Artificial magnets are man-made, and it is of various shapes like bar, cylindrical, U-shape, horseshoe, circular, and disc.